Welcome to Shielded Soul Origin Codes, the sound of your soul. Let us begin by getting grounded. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, let a hum escape your lips. Feel the vibration in your chest, your throat, your bones. This is more than a sound. It is your soul remembering itself. Long before you spoke words, you were sound. The universe was born from vibration, and galaxies spun into being because sound moved across the void. Your voice, it's not random. It is an instrument, actually a tuning fork of origin codes. When you speak truth, you realign. When you sing, you awaken memory. When you hum, chant, pray, or even whisper, you call your soul back into harmony. They tried to silence you. They tried to twist your words, but they cannot erase the frequency of who you are. Your sound is your sovereignty, and your voice is your weapon and your medicine. Here's an affirmation to activate that. My voice carries the frequency of my origin codes. My sound realigns me with Source. Every word I speak is creation, and I reclaim the vibration of my soul. Remember, do not be afraid to hear yourself. Do not shrink your sound. Your voice is ancient, your vibration is divine, and when you release it, the universe remembers who you are. Now it's time you remember who you are. Until the next time.